All right, this is the very first letter that we learned this week. On last week is the letter A. Remember, get your apple, hold your apple in your hand. A makes the A sound. The letter A represents the short A sound. And also remember that A is a vowel. How to make the sound, how to make the sound. To make the sound, start with your mouth open, keep your tongue low and flat inside your mouth. Now say the sound. You can stretch the sound like ah. Word example, say the word apple slowly and listen to the sound of the letter at the beginning of the word. Apple. Practice saying it. Apple. Notice how your mouth feels when you make that sound. Here are word examples. We have the short ass sound, which can be heard in the middle of a word, such as at, at, and app. You can hear the ass sound. You can also hear at the beginning of the words the ass sound at the beginning of the word, like at and apple. Voice sound, place your hand on your throat, and as you say the as you say you'll notice the vibration that is happening. This happens because a is a voice sound. And remember, when we make that sound, hold your apple and say ah, ah, ah. All right, let's practice. We have apple, and that's kind of tricky, but that was one of the words that they suggested, so we're going to use that one. Alligator and X. The letter A spells the short A sound. Let's write. To write an uppercase A, start by slant down from the top left to the bottom, then slant down again from the top to the right. And then go across. Remember, we use our magic finger for that. Remember, fingers up. This is what you can say with them for them to practice at home. Also, if you don't have pen and paper, marker, paper, crayon, paper, pencil, and paper, you can use your finger and they can have their invisible board. Slant down, across. Wipe it off. And we do that 3 times. And this is a practice page. You're more than welcome to pause the video and have them practice the uppercase A. Let's write the lowercase a. To write a lowercase a, you will go around the apple and down the leaf. That's how you write a lowercase a. Remember, around the apple and down the leaf. Here's another video where you can pause and they can practice writing the lowercase a. Thank you for joining in. Bye.